Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. Today I am in my bedroom. This is where I started my YouTube career, in my bedroom with my laptop as my camera. So today we are back in my bedroom because I am doing a clothing haul and I have everything spread out in the order that I wore them. So I decided that we would try to do it from the bedroom. I do have a box lighting helping me because I am sitting in front of a patio door, but sometimes the sun comes in and out, so I thought we'll play it safe and have a light with us. Okay, so we are going to get started. The first outfit, I actually took pictures of myself in them on my phone so I would be able to remember. Now I want you to keep something in mind with my videos. For one, I am a woman of curves. I have a whole lot of junk in the trunk, and I do not have long legs. I have short legs, but I have a long torso. So you know, you hear people say that, oh, women with short legs shouldn't wear this and they shouldn't wear that, and some women are just not comfortable with very fitted clothing. So what I tried to do here is give you a couple of tips that would help you elongate your body and also just really improving your posture, which I will show you in the video, really makes a difference when you have short legs, okay? Okay, so as I was saying, these pants, I just thought the pattern was absolutely gorgeous. They're very lightweight, so if you live in a very warm climate, you can get away with wearing these. The brand is Vero Moda. Everything will be listed and linked below for you. So I took these wide leg pants and I paired them with an old sweater set that I have, but these are still available, not so much the colors, but anything, you can pick up the color of the slacks with any top you want. Anyway, I paired this with a Nic Zoe sweater set that I have. This is their everyday tank and their 4-way cardigan sweater. And you'll see that I prefer it tied at the waist, but you can leave this loose or you can go ahead and crisscross it and use the buttons to cross it over, or you can tie it like I prefer. This was a very comfortable look. Shoes in the first outfit, I paired them with a pair of Kate Spade nude pumps. These do not have a really high heel to them, but they are not a kitten, and I'm not even sure these are around anymore, but any pair of nude pumps that you have would work for this outfit. You just have to make sure that the pants stay at the right length, or if you prefer, you can pair them with a pair of wedges. Now these are from Marc Fisher, and I found these at TJ Maxx in Florida, and I love them. Now it is important, if you want to elongate your leg, to wear a nude shoe. If you put a dark colored shoe with this outfit, you are going to chop your legs off immediately. So I paired these slacks with a nude shoe because it elongates my leg. But I just loved this outfit. And for earrings, I just went ahead and I found these at TJ Maxx, and they're just a pair of glass teal earrings, and I just thought they were beautiful. So I just paired them with the outfit because they pick up the teal that is in the pants. Number 2, I have a pair of white, they are 92%, 96% linen, and then they have a little rayon in them. So they have such a linen feel, I would just say linen slacks. But they are also wide-legged, and I really do get excited with wide-leg pants when they come back in style. And when they are in a linen form, they never really go out of style. Wide-legged jeans do, they come and they go, but white linen pants, wide-legged, I would wear them year after year after year. Anyway, this is a pair of white linen slacks. They do have a pocket, which I usually stay away from side slit pockets because I'm hippie, and they they tend to bulge. If you have wide hips, we really should be looking for things that have either a flat front pocket, but when they have that side slit, you'll notice they pucker out and they accentuate our hips. So that's why I stay away from them. But these, you'll see that they're okay. So anyway, we have a white pair of linen slacks. And the first top that I paired with these slacks is by June and Hudson, and I did get the large in this because I thought it looked small when I ordered it. And I thought this was so beautiful. It's yellow with some teal, with olive green, and then it has some white in it. But I love the detailing around the waist, and even in the back it has a little bit of detail for the waist. And I thought this top worked so well with the pants. I paired them with my Karl Lagerfeld, and these are in a, I think this is called a brushed gold or pearl gold, something like that. But I just love these. They're a nice wedge because they have a little bit of a platform in the front, which takes off the pressure off the ball of your foot, which is important for me. I bought these last year. They still have these this year. I love them. And again, I kept the shoes very neutral to elongate my leg. Because with the wide legs, if I put a dark shoe on with this, you know, my legs might look like tree trunks. So I always keep a flesh shoe, but I did want to, for those of you who don't have to worry about that, these shoes came in a beautiful yellow, which matched the top perfectly. The earrings that I'm wearing in this, I got at Target, and they are from Bauble Bar. They're the Sugar Fix. They are just a pair of white hoops, and I thought they went perfect with the whole outfit. I really, really, really love the look of this. Outfit number 3, we stay with the same linen pants. I am pairing it with this beautiful top from Bobo. I think it's pronounced. I'm not sure how you pronounce this, but it looks like Bobo. And I love this top with the white linen. I love the way it has this little pleat in the front. I love the little cap sleeves on it. The flow of this is beautiful. And I know they will tell you, oh, if you're wearing loose on the bottom, you shouldn't wear loose on the top. You see this works because it is a little fitted around the shoulder area and the breast, but it flows in the belly area. And let's face it, ladies, some of us need to cover that up a little bit because age gets the best of us there. So I think this looks beautiful with it. And in the first outfit, I paired it with the exact same shoes that I had on before, the Karl Lagerfeld, and they are the pearl gold, whatever we want to call them. And I paired the outfit with this handbag by Teddy Blake, and I love this color. And I think by just having, this is called either royal blue or midnight blue, something blue, but I thought it really brought out the color of the shirt and it just made it pop. So I love this handbag with it. And I also paired it with a pair of Kate Spade periwinkle earrings. They are almost the same color as the top, and I just thought they were beautiful. My microphone fell off, so I don't know what you didn't hear, and this video is taking me all day to do, so I am just going to hope that I didn't muffle the sound out too much. So forgive me for that little clip right there. All right. Again, these same linen pants. Now you're going to recognize this top if you watched a clothing haul of mine from TJ Maxx and Marshall's. I picked this top up and I just loved it. And I thought, you know, I'll find the right thing to wear this top with. And I paired it with one of my Nic Zoe everyday tanks, And this here was the top from Zach and Rachel that I bought from TJ Maxx for $16.99. I've paired it with these pants. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I think it is important that you have a very fitted tank underneath, since the pants are loose and the top is going to flow. And what makes this top work is it's very, very, very thin and lightweight. But again, there are a lot of women that love the look and feel more comfortable in a loose flowing outfit. So I think this one here is just perfect. Shoes for this outfit I just bought, and these are from Carvela Comfort, and these are a gold wedge. I absolutely love gold wedge shoes, sandals. I just love them. And I took the opportunity to wear them with this outfit. So you can, however, stay with a nude pair of wedges. You can use any nude pair of sandals that you have that you feel comfortable in. But I absolutely loved these, and they are very, very comfortable. I bought them in 2 colors. And this is that same sandal in the cognac tobacco color. Just love these. Absolutely gorgeous, really comfortable, just a really neat looking shoe, I think. I am normally a 6.5. Sometimes I can wear a 6, and sometimes I can wear a 7. For this shoe, I had to go into the 6 because it doesn't come in a 6.5, but the 7 was too big. Now the 6 just fits me perfect. So keep that in mind when ordering. If you are like me and you can wear a 6 or a 6.5, most of the time, 6.5 being your true size, then don't go to the 7 in this, go to the 6, because most of the time I'm a 6.5, and if they don't have a 6.5, I'll try a 7, and sometimes I get lucky, but with this shoe I did not. So a 6 did fit me in this shoe. Okay, and this is going to stretch slightly. So, and my foot does not hang over the back. I don't like when my heel hangs over the back. That's too small of a shoe for me. So my heel sits right at the edge. But a 7, the shoe is flopping all around. Okay, a beautiful pink pair of tassel earrings from Kendra Scott that I picked up at TJ Maxx. Absolutely love them. 3 different ways to wear a white pair of linen slacks. And I also brought out my Rebecca Minkoff white handbag to put on with the pink and white outfit. The next outfit, the jeans are actually from, I'm wearing them, so I can't really talk about them. You'll see them in the picture. But the jeans are high-rise jeans from Target, and they are high-rise skinny from Universal, and they are a dark wash. That's another thing I like. I don't really get into the light wash of jeans because I have thick thighs, and that's going to make them look even thicker. I stick with black or very dark wash. I don't do anything that has shading on the butt cheeks or shading on the thighs, meaning it fades out, because those are going to accentuate my thighs and make them look larger. So I stick with a dark wash. These are really nice jeans because they are high-waisted, and I have them paired with this beautiful, it's an orangey melon CECE brand top with just a little bit of navy and little white flowers on it. I just think it's very pretty. I love the look of a pretty blouse with jeans. I really do. All right, my friends, so that's it for my clothing haul, my shoe haul, a little bit of earrings in here, a little bit of handbag. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments if you did. I don't do a lot of these, but you let me know if you really enjoy these, and then perhaps seasonally I will do more of these, or anytime I buy something new I could throw it into a video for you. And let me know in the comments, what is your style and what is your body type, and what do you feel most comfortable in? I know with age we have to change the way we even put our makeup on, and I think with menopause especially, our body shifts and changes on us, and what we once felt comfortable in, we don't always feel so comfortable in anymore. So I remedy that with wearing fitted pants, fitted jeans now with a nice loose flowy feminine top. Because before I could throw on a fitted top and not think twice about it, and now I have to take a second look at myself in the mirror. All right, my friends, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all the videos that I am putting up. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.